Alright guys, so today we are going to be doing a pull rope on a Makita, what is this, ea4300f chainsaw. So, any of the materials I use, like the rope, will be in the description below. The tool for taking off these bolts, it's torque 27, but the stihl tool has it with a spark plug, end on it. And then I think, yeah, spark plug end on it. So it'll have a 9/16 on this end too. I'll put all that in the description below. First thing we're going to do is break free these T27s. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Get them all out. Pull straight off. Don't lose your bolts. Alright, then we're going to get Phillips head screwdriver or a flathead screwdriver, and we're going to take this bolt out in the middle. It goes counterclockwise. I got counterclockwise. It's going to turn because I ain't got nothing to brace against. Counterclockwise is loosen. This bolt out. This little cap should come off like that, and the spring should come out. This is the same setup as an Echo. And then very gently we're going to remove this. You'll hear it click out. If it's pull resistance on it, so you have to go this way to kind of disconnect it. If there's any resistance on it, it means the spring's still stuck on. But it's got this white cap that kind of keeps it from, getting too stuck in place. So it won't pull out very easy. Then we're going to go ahead and remove the old rope. Take your new piece of line. You're going to want to heat up the end with a lighter or a torch and just pull it to a point, just like that, so it doesn't fray. We're going to stick it in the recoil. I got a bit of line, with a new line with a handle already on it, but I'm going to stick it through the hole of the recoil like that, and then you're going to stick it through the hole of the pulley right there. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but I'm going to show y'all. Where is that hole? There we go. Like this. Just get it to come out. You're going to tie a simple knot into the end of it. Pull it down into the pulley, just like that. Now we're going to get this pulley back on and in place. Just keep turning it until we find it dropping in. There it is. And it catches the spring, just like that. Then we're going to put the spring back in. This is the secondary spring and then the primary spring. Some weird thing that they came up with. Put this back on. There's a little hole right here that lines up with this one. Line them up. Make sure it sits in there good. Put the bolt back in. Tighten it down with a Phillips head in a clockwise direction. Okay, and then you pull a loop. Set this side of the rope into the notch. And then you take and go in a clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3 times. Pull it out and slowly let it in to the pulley. You'll pull it right back in to there. Then we're going to go one more, maybe even 2 more, but work our way around to the one more. No, 2 more. We need 1 more, so it'll be 5 total loops. Just like that. Now, works fucking perfect. Alright, pop it back on. You may have to pull the recoil like this to get it to set in. Put your 4 bolts back on, and you're ready to go. Now, I'm going to see, maybe they'll have a whole recoil, maybe not. I'll put the rope and pull handle for sure in there in the description. Hopefully, we'll get lucky and find a whole recoil in Amazon that we can put in the link. But if not, I'll at least have the rope and handle in there. If this helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. If you want to do any advertising through my channel, give me a message. I'll be more than happy to have a sponsor. That's it. Just bring them all down until they're snug, then tighten them up in a cross pattern. And that's it. She's ready to go. Alright guys, again, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, show me a little support. Peace.